Now, in his Eid message on Wednesday morning, the Senegalese President Macky Sall stresses on the situation of COVID-19 in his country. The West African nation has continued to record high number of new COVID-19 cases, with the number of deaths also increasing on a daily basis. President Sall urges his people to continue observing the COVID-19 protocols to help drive the virus out of the country. Amin Dao tells us more of that in this report.
The resurgence of coronavirus cases and deaths globally continues to be worrisome to many people around the world. The situation has become more serious when the new variant hits the world, spreading the virus faster whilst claiming lives day by day. Considering this predicament, the Senegalese president centered his Eid message on reminding the Senegalese the hardship they went through last year thanks to the COVID-19 pandemic. President Macky Sall urges citizens to continue taking necessary precautions in the fight against the virus.
Just like last year, this year also the pandemic is still in the country. At the moment, as I'm speaking, you know that the virus is spreading again. The pandemic currently has new variants which spreads faster, and that's why cases are escalating day by day. This can cause unavailability of space at the hospitals in case they reach their capacities. It is for this reason why we should prevent ourselves by staying at home. Whatever we can do to stop the spread of the virus, let's try and do it. Let's continue wearing face masks and wash our hands as instructed by the doctors.
Senegal is part of the list of African countries. The United States is donating Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine doses to protect the most vulnerable and stem transmission of the virus. After receiving their share on Tuesday, President Sall promised to purchase an extra 300,000 vaccine doses from China.
The
other thing again is the vaccines. Just yesterday, we received some doses from the United States as a donation. This week, we'll buy about 3,000 doses from China, which will be very useful when it arrives in the country. We are hopeful by August, we will receive thousands or even millions of doses from an initiative called AVAT and COVAX also to help in the fight against the virus.
The Senegalese president has threatened to reintroduce strict safety measures if cases continue to increase. The French-speaking country has recorded more than 53,000 cases with more than 1,000 deaths since recording the first case in March 2020. For iAfrica News, I am Amin Dao.